Really want to showcase a cool inclusion with my UT80. I installed some LEDs where the headlights are supposed to be, and oh my god, this looks really incredible. It brings it to life so much. I'm not done because there's 4 more headlights on the very top, but just as is, this looks pretty insane. You guys also probably noticed a nice blue hue from the inside, so let's go check what that is. So we open up this interior and see what that pretty cool color is. Since I bought 4 lightsabers, I can make General Grievous light up fully. He looks absolutely incredible because I also include a custom cape, but I do actually have an amazing idea with this General Grievous.